So hello friends, welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about life of a topper at NITs and IITs. So first of all, before starting this video, I would like to clearly mention that this video is not made to brag or to show off about anything, but it is made to show you the reality plus a quite bit of motivation. So starting off with this, how this word topper came in the picture. So I would like to say that recently, like 3 days back, our result of second year was announced, and surprisingly the exams were not held and the marks were allotted on the basis of our mid-sem exams, our teacher assessment, and our previous semester SPI or previous CPI. So surprisingly, like many people got around 9.8, 9.68, like, and all this. So yeah, that was amazing. So apart from that, in first year my CPI was 9.56, and with the help of that I was able to be first in my whole like first year, and with that I was able to receive a medal, like as you can see on the screen, and not only this but also a certificate and also a scholarship around 20,000 rupees. So if you want to earn in your college, so yeah, it's also a good big thing to consider. So not only in your future studies your CPI helps, like if you want to study for abroad your CPI helps a lot, if you want to study further then your CPI helps a lot, but also you are able to earn out of it like scholarships. Not only this, but also in second year the CPI is highest. So I think that this year also I would be able to get a medal, and I would surely try to make a vlog of all that, because now I think I can make a vlog. But apart from that, I want to say something. Like you might be thinking, okay, Aryan, CPI is good, projects are also made, good in programming, not that good, and also from a tier 1 college. So life is perfect.
नहीं
Nahi. Like it does not mean what you see is the actual reality. See, I am just here to show you the reality. Many like in whole YouTube, nobody will talk about their strengths and weaknesses in public. But I want to show you that nobody is perfect in this world. See, now you might be thinking, okay, Aryan, so what's missing? So, see, when I talk, I stammer. You can say stammering or stuttering. So, what it actually means is that when you talk, you stop in between while speaking some phrases, and it creates a break in your speech. But you might be thinking, okay, Aryan, you are speaking pretty fluently. So, like, where does the stammering part came in the picture? So, see, stammering occurs when you have anxiety. You can say a fear. Now, fear of what? Fear of thinking what others might think when you will stammer. And that's the reason it's a recursive process, and it's happen again and again and again and again and in the whole speech. So what's the issue with it? So see, the first big issue is that although you might know everything, you might know good projects, you might know good programming skills, but if you are not able to express it, so who will take you in your company? And it's the fact that you can't run away from your weaknesses. You might hide them, but you cannot hide from yourself. So I'm not saying that you should just focus on your weaknesses. I'm just saying that focus on your strengths and work on your weaknesses. Because ultimately, at one day or another, you have to focus it. See, many of us are here, like they are not able to interact with girls. So you might happen that, okay, so how is it affecting me? See, it is not affecting you now, but in future it will definitely affect you. So now you might be thinking, okay, I'm good in projects making and I'm not good in programming. So yeah, it is true. If you are good in making projects and working on like Android, machine learning, Python, and all this, then it's very good. You should make great projects in them, but side by side, work on your programming skills, work on your CPI, work on your SPI. And suppose it might happen that you have the great vocabulary, you have great English speaking abilities, but you are not able to speak. So try to talk, try to speak every time in English. It might happen that you might not be great in English, but you are able to speak very well. You are able to speak in Hindi very well. So it is very easy for you to learn English and to speak in English. So for me, the major issue was I was able to I was able to think in English, I was able to speak fluently in English, but basically the stammering happens. And that's why the one major thing was I like to teach. And for teaching, you have to speak. And if while speaking, you will stammer a lot, so you have to make number of cuts in the video. And that is very, very, very hard, if you might know. So now you might be thinking, okay, Aryan, if I see some person in my class that he is good in speaking, he is good in programming, he is good in projects, he is good in like studies also. So what's missing in him? See, you might not see, but it might happen that he might be insecure in speaking in public. Okay, if he's not, it might happen that if he might be having some health issues. If not, he might be having some mental issues as well. Now, by mental issues, I mean like some family issues. By that, your mental health also affects. So, there's one big fact of century that nobody is perfect in this world, but I can see that you are perfect. And to make your thing more perfect, you have to work on your weaknesses. See, many of the people, like recently when I posted the last video of intro video, many people asked like, I'm not able to solve like the Codeforces thing. See, it is reality that nobody is able to solve in starting. And if you are able to solve also, then it might happen that you are not able to perform well in the contest. So it might happen also that you are able to speak good. It might happen that you are able to make good projects. It might happen that you are good in some specific sports very well. It might happen that you are good in playing some instrument very well. So you should, I am not saying to leave that skill. You should focus on that skill, but work on your weaknesses as well. And if you can earn something out from that skill, then it's just awesome. But if you are not, then try to bring up everything on the table and serve it and see what you get. Okay, so I forgot to mention one quite embarrassing experiences which happened due to that stammering. So one happened in my school and another happened in my college. So the school one first. So I was allowed, like I was chosen as a house captain of our college. So in assembly, I just have to speak one line. My name is Aryan Mittal and I am the house captain of like particular house. So as to run away from that particular thing, first of all, I choose not to go to school on that particular day. But I have to go. Now, secondly, so as that to not to speak, I acted as if I fainted in the assembly, but I was not actually fainted. So, see, I know that running away was never an option, but when we are standing at a particular position, we just run away. So, just one thing, if you have anything that you fear from, just go and step in it, and after that you will see what will happen. At first glance, at first instance, you might fail. Next also you might fail. Next also you might fail. But after that, it is for sure that you will pass. So with that note, I would like to end this video, and I would just like to say that keep focusing on your strengths and working on your weaknesses. So yeah, that's all, and thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.